अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर, माई सेल्फ मंतिशा मरियम।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। Please turn off your camera. Ayan Zubair. Oh, वालेकुम अस्सलाम रहमतुल्लाह. Please turn off. Ayan Zubair, your camera.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
Okay, वालेकुम अस्सलाम. So class, join quickly. And
Sir, we have to do ninja.
yes, beta.
We have to do ninja today.
I am not getting. Speak a little louder and clearly.
Sir, we will do today ninja.
No, beta. No. Not new enjoy. We are doing on mathematics, applying mathematics. Cordova learning series. Okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
Okay, listen to me carefully, all of you. Okay, I am muting to everyone. First, listen to me, and whatever you are asking, I will give you time for that. Is it clear? Okay. Okay. First of all, tell me, my screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. So keep quiet. I don't want to listen anyone. Okay. I am telling you each and everything. Then I'll ask you what you get, and will you understand it or not? Is it clear?
Okay sir. Okay sir.
Okay. So start muting. Mute yourself.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
Okay. This is clear to you? Okay.
No,
I am telling.
अब यार लीव मीटिंग करो ना।
Beta, mute yourself. Okay. This.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam. I am saying to you, everyone. Okay. Please stop and listen to me carefully. The videos I uploaded is clear to you. Open chapter 6 decimal. Okay. Here, consider a number. It is written here 5,347. So you know that this number can be written in place value as it is written 5 into 1000 and plus 3 into 100 plus 4 into 10 and plus 7 into 1. Is it clear? So we can write in this way. And here it is written that as we move from left to right, the place value of the digit decreased by 10 times. Okay. And if we extend the system to the right, then it will increase by 10 times. Is it clear? So here is the example. See, now look at the number 5347.618. Okay. So is it clear till now, everyone?
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes sir. It is
Okay.
clear.
Okay.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
Yes sir.
Very good, mashallah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very fine.
Sir,
Okay.
but you have taken this exercise.
Yes, I am just recalling the previous lecture first, then I am continuing the today's topic.
Yes sir. Okay.
So here it is written. How we write example number 1? Write
Please schedule on.
media. Beta, turn off your camera. Okay, so in this page, what is written over here? How we write the number? Okay, if number is given and I have to write in decimal form. Is it clear? So 2 upon 100, okay, is written as 2 into 1 upon 10. Okay, wait for a second. I'm writing on the screen. Okay. Okay. So it is 0.2. Okay. So you are open page number 91. All of you opened it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in example number 1, what you have to do? You have to write in decimal form. All of you, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Okay. Very good, mashallah. So yesterday's video, you watched yesterday's video, which I posted. Everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So
I watched.
Yes, sir.
okay, beta, very good.
Yes, sir.
mashallah. Okay. So exercise 6.1 is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Now move to today's topic. That
Yes,
is,
sir. It is clear. One,
okay.
sir, I have done also in my fear notebook.
We will discuss about like and unlike decimal.
Okay, beta, I am discussing. Wait for a second. Okay. First of all, representation of decimal on the number line. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what? Repeat again, please.
Wait, beta. Representation of decimal. Did you watch the video of this decimal of representation? Representation of
Sir.
No, sir.
decimals.
No, sir.
Okay, beta, wait, I'm telling you on number line.
Yeah, I on video.
Okay, very good. So, beta, how we represent a decimal on a number line? For that, we have to draw a line.
Another line.
Yes. First of all, we draw a number line as we are making earlier. Okay. In that, we mark the line. Suppose that we have to represent 0.6. Okay. This we have to represent on the number line. Okay. So, what is the step of representing any decimal on the number line? First of all, there is a see again. Go to page number 93, beta, and here it is written that this first we draw on the line and mark a point 0 on it. Okay.
So
Then
we start from 0.
yes, very good. And then what happens on this line? We mark points A, B, C, and their distance should be equal. Okay.
Yes.
Sir, Shiva is opening camera.
Okay, I'll mark the name. Distance should be same. Okay. And what we do next?
Sir, after 9, the difference should be.
Okay, the difference should be same.
There will be the difference
Yes,
will be
sir.
same.
Yeah, just
That is
Yes, sir, like
The lines between the two numbers should be same.
okay,
That
very
should be
good.
also same.
Okay, okay.
yes, sir,
So,
that should be equal
so
to.
we mark 1, 2, 3 on that line. Is it clear?
okay, ma'am.
Sir, I am
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Beta, first quiet yourself, keep quiet, okay, and listen to me. Mute yourself and listen to me. After that, suppose that you know that 0.6 lies between 1 and 0. Okay, is it clear? Because 0.
No, sir.
Yes, beta.
No, sir. Repeat again, please.
No,
Okay.
sir, it is not clear.
Okay, I'm
Why?
telling.
You
Wait,
said
wait.
that you will post a video related to one question, but I didn't get that video.
What you are saying?
Sir, I am saying that you said that you will post a video related to new join one question was there. So, sir, I didn't
Sir, I
get.
am asking that video is not working.
Beta, I am right now. I am going with applying mathematics. Okay. So before the class of that workbook, I will post it. Don't worry for that. Why you are not considering here on today's class?
Sir, decimal, I want to ask decimal video is not working.
Sir, I know very well number line.
Okay.
Sir,
So
It is
listen,
not working.
beta, listen to me. Okay. Listen to the class. Okay. Then what you have to do, you know that 0 and 1 in between this 0.6 lies. So we have here it is written we have to divide 0 and 1 into 10 equal parts. Okay. Is it clear?
Sir, can you show us practical, please?
Okay, beta, wait. So we draw a line. Okay. We mark 0 here and another mark, another mark, another mark, another mark. Say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In that we have to divide this line into 10 equal parts. Okay.
Yes.
Then we know that count as it is given 0.6. Okay. So we count 1, 2, 3 different parts up to 6 and we mark it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So is it clear this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see example number 1.
Sir, can you tell again?
Beta, okay, I'm telling you.
Yes, sir, I can't see your screen.
Beta, there is some problem in connecting. Please wait. Okay, I am telling you. Okay, listen to me again. Suppose that this is your number line. Wait. Okay, and you have to mark. Not working again.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Abdullah. I have joined late.
Okay,
Bye,
Abdullah. Okay, so you listen to me. Go to example number 1 on page number 93. Please read it and try to understand. If you have any problem, please ask me. Okay.
Search number.
On page number 93.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what you have to do? You have to make a number line first. After that, okay, then mark numbers on it. Not working, I think. Okay, you listen to me. I post a video also for.
Sir, can you post a video
Yes, but
to represent a decimal on a number line so we can
Oh,
understand?
okay, beta, I will post it. Actually, my pen tab is
Sir,
not.
please post it.
Okay, beta. Yesterday, what I post you understand that video? I also post a presentation of decimals on number line.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta.
Sir, can you please give a quick revision because yesterday's video did not understand properly. So can you give a quick revision?
Okay, beta, I am giving you, wait for a second. Just think now, move to like and unlike. For that, I will provide you notes also. Okay, don't worry for that. My pen tab is not
Okay, sir.
working due to, I don't know what is the cause. Okay, so, okay, I try to write on WordPad, MS Word.
Okay, sir.
Okay, beta. So what we do? First we made a number line. Okay, we have to mark numbers. Okay, we have to mark numbers. Then first of all we have to know that this number line between which two numbers. Okay, suppose 0.6 is lies between 0 and 1. So we have to mark. We have to divide 0 and 1 into 10 divisions. Into 10 divisions. Okay, and after that we count 1 2 3 on, and on sixth part, okay, it will be 0.6. That represents 0.6 to you. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta, due to some problem in my tab, that's why it's,
Yes, sir. Now I can understand.
okay. Here
Now
now,
I have understood.
like
Very good.
and unlike decimals. Okay, like and unlike decimals, what are they? If listen on page, open page number 94, here it is written that the number of digits, mute everyone, the number of digits contained in the decimal part of a decimal number gives the number of decimal places. Here's the example is given as 5.76. Example is given as 5.76. Okay, so how many places are there after the decimal? Yes, how many places are there after decimal? It has
Sir, it has
2.
3.
2 beta. 5.7 after decimal point.
Oh, sir, example you have told it.
Yes, 2 decimal places are there.
After the decimal point, there are two places. One is, some is 10 and second is 100.
Okay, so is it clear? Now see another example, that is 2
Yes,
point,
sir, it is clear.
23.458. Okay, so how many decimal places are there after decimal point? It has 3.
Sir, 3 place. Sir, 3
Decimal.
decimal place.
Okay, so as it is written like means same. So
Hundreds and thousands.
so beta, listen this thing. If the number of decimal places are same, okay, for same decimal, for what I should say was like decimals, the number of
Like decimal. Like
places
decimal are those decimal.
after the
Which
decimal
that
should be
side is
Sir, I wanted to say that if we have to find like and unlike decimals, so we have to see the places.
Only you have to see the places. If the places have same, for
Sir, we
example,
have to say 10,000,
Decimal we have to
10,000 to 1.
listen, listen to me. This is 4.56 and it is 5.56. So 5.56 and 4.56, they contain same decimal places. Okay.
Yes,
Two decimal
yes,
places
sir.
are there and 4.56 decimal
They are
places.
unlike.
Beta,
Sir,
listen.
they are unlike.
Beta, listen to me first. I am taking only two, 5.76 and 4.56. Okay. And 5.76. Okay. So
Sir, it is like decimal.
they are like, and when we
Yes,
consider
sir.
23.458 and 5.76.
Sir,
Then
it is unlike. Sir, because
very good.
unlike,
So it is
sir, because it has first place has
unlike.
3 decimal place and decimal has 2 decimal place.
Nadia Irfan. Okay, is it clear now?
Sir,
How to-
Sir,
yes,
sir,
beta.
I want to ask something.
Yes,
That
beta.
4.56 and 7 and
Sorry, sir.
4.56 and 5.76. Why they are like fraction? Why they are like decimal?
Okay, they are like decimals, beta, because for if you want to tell whether it is like, beta, mute everyone. If we want to check whether it's a like decimal or unlike, the only way is to count the decimal places. Okay, if the digits contain same decimal places, like for example 5.76, it has 2 decimal places, and in case of 4.56, it also has 2 decimal places. So these are called like decimals. And if we consider 5.76 and 23.458, so in 5.76 there are 2 decimal places, and in 23.458 it has 3 decimal places. So the decimal places are not same, so they are called unlike decimals. Okay, now moving to next topic, that is converting unlike decimal into like decimal. Okay, what we have to do to convert the like decimal into unlike decimal, we have to add zeros to the right of the decimal part. Okay, to convert unlike decimal to like decimal, we have to add zeros to the right of the decimal part. We have to add zeros to the right of the beta. Okay, I am telling you again with example. Right of the decimal part. Okay, example. Suppose we have 4.56. Okay, and another one is 23 point 3.6. Okay, is it clear? Or take another one. 5.7. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so
It's clear.
these two are unlike decimals. Okay, because in 3.56 there are 2 places, and in 5.6 there is 1 decimal place. Okay, in order to convert, if we add 0, okay, then the number will remain same. It will become 2.
Yes, sir.
3.56 contain 2 decimal part. Okay, and when we add 2 here, 0 here, okay, then it will also contain 2 decimal part. Now, okay, now it becomes
But zero.
Sir, now it becomes
Like decimal.
Value after decimal.
beta, listen to this.
Sir,
If
sir,
you
again
if you
not
are adding
understand.
decimal, to the right side, okay, then it has no impact on the number. Okay,
Okay,
value will remain same. The only purpose of adding 0 here is to make the decimal like. Okay, is it clear? Now move
Yes,
to
sir.
Yes.
No, sir, it is not clear. Please tell again.
Muhammad Azmi, Yusuf Muhammad Azmi.
Sir, anybody's voice is cutting.
beta. You are not following. You are not. Why you are opening your mic again and again? And why you are using my screen? You are not following, and then you are saying, "I'm not getting. I'm not getting. I'm not understanding." Okay, so Shifa, again you are doing opening your mic. What happened, Sayyid Mohammed Fawaz?
Sir, I can't see your screen.
I stopped the screen. I stopped the sharing of the screen. Now, beta. Now, how to compare decimals? If you have any problem, you can WhatsApp me. I can make you understand. Now come to how to compare the decimals. Okay. For that,
Okay, sir.
there are some steps written.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are the steps? I am telling you.
Okay, sir.
Open page number. Open.
Sir,
Page
open
94.
page number 94.
Sir, I have opened.
Very good. Just listen to me. Don't say yes, I do. Just okay, you opened. Very good. Okay. So the first step is convert unlike decimal into like. Number one step. Okay. Number two step is compare the whole number part with the greater whole number
Yes,
part
sir.
with the greater decimal part.
Sir,
Yes,
I
you have to.
cannot understand compare part.
I am telling you. I am starting telling you. Okay. I didn't complete the lecture. I didn't complete the topic. Compare the whole number part. And then compare the decimal part. Okay. Now then on these basis we can tell which number is greater. Okay, example, suppose that for 6.8 and 5.9. Okay, so on the right side of the decimal 6.8 you have a 6 number. Okay, and on when we write 5.9, so on the left side of the decimal we have 5. So which is greater, 5 or 6? We all know 6 is greater. So
Yes, 6.8 is
6.8
greater.
is greater.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now if we have, listen, if we have 2.0, 2.36 and another number is 2.39. Okay, and you have to
Sir, 2.39.
listen. Very good, mashallah. You know now. If you are bit shouting, then how you will understand? Now, if you understand, if you have to compare, so beta, what you do? Again, you have to see the numbers.
The places.
2 is same as 2.
3 is
Okay.
also same.
As 2.
3 is also same.
Okay. And 3 is also same. 6 and 9.
Only 6 and 9 is
Yes,
different.
beta. Only this you have to compare. Which is bigger? 2.6 is
The
bigger or
9.
9 is bigger? So
2.39. 2.39.
so
2.39.
2.39 is
Greater.
greater. Very good. Okay. Because
9 is greater than
Because
6.
the 9 is greater
9
than
is
9 is greater than 6.
greater than 6.
6.
Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very
Clear.
easy.
Yes, sir, very easy.
Okay. So
But
beta.
this Rohit
Yes,
is
sir.
very easy.
Very good, mashallah. So go to page number 95. There is a exercise 6.2.
Yes, sir.
Everyone opened it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So
Yes, sir.
read this and
Yes,
tell me
sir.
if you have any problem, then tell it to me.
Sir, no, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we have no problem. I have done this.
You have done this. Very good, mashallah. You have
What
done this.
is compared
This is okay. I am telling it to you. Wait. Okay. In the first question, you have to tell which is greater. In this way, you can tell which one is greater and which one is not
Yes,
greater.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And second number, and listen to me, beta. Please mute yourself. Please, please, please. A humble request. You are not following. I don't know what is the reason. Are you doing this way to everyone? Huh? That you are not following, not obeying elders. Huh? So
Sir, you have not assigned an assignment to send
I
exercise
am
6.1.
beta. I say to you right now, okay, this is your homework. I am just saying open the exercises and see it. If you have any problem and I send you will do it. Or if you do it earlier also, so there is any disadvantage for that? Is there is any harm if you do it earlier before assigning me? Is there any harm for you? Okay, beta. In question number 2 of exercise 6.2, you have to represent on the number line. Okay. You have to represent 0.6. So we know that 0.6 is lies between 0 and 1. 1.8 is lies between 1 and 2. 1.3 lies between 1 and 3. So first of all, you have to see between which two numbers the given number lies. Then between that two numbers, you have to make 10 equal divisions. Okay. And mark accordingly as it is given in the question. Number 3 is also same. You have to draw the number. You have to draw the number line. Number 4, you have to convert unlike into like decimal. And number 5, again, you have to compare and write it in ascending order. Is it clear? Yes.
What, sir?
What, beta?
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Very good. If you have any problem in 6.2,
Sir, it is clear.
okay, beta. Now
Yes, sir.
conversion of just beta.
Sir, I did not understand how to compare the decimal.
Beta, is it very easy? This is 2.3635 and another number is 2.45. Okay. So 2 is same. 3, that number which are different. This 2 is same. Okay, 2.35 and 2.45. This part 2 is same as here. Is it clear? 3 and 4, these things are different. So in these digits, you have to see which is greater. 3 is greater, 4 is greater. Just
Sir,
tell me.
4.
So this
Sir,
number,
4.
very good. So this number is greater.
Sir, the 4 is greater.
So 2.45 is greater than 2.35.
Then 2.35.
Okay. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
In this way, beta, you have to compare the things.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, very good. With enthusiasm and conversion of a decimal into a fraction. Okay, what you have to do? What you have to do? In that, there are certain steps. Okay, step number 2 is the most important. Step 2 is most important. Okay, what is step number 2? In step number 2, in the denominator, write 1 followed by as many zeros as there are decimal places. Yes.
Write 1 aloud by 3 rows as there are decimal places in the given number.
Listen, I am giving you with example. Here it is given as 6.25. According to step 2, you have to write in denominator, write the number of zeros as there are the decimal places. Okay. Is it clear? Right?
Yes, sir.
1 upon number followed by zeros. Okay. Is it clear? For example, 6.25. So 6.25, how many decimal places are there in the right side after the decimal point? How many decimal places are there?
Sir, what?
How many decimal places are there in 6.25?
Sir, 2.
2.
Sir,
Very good, mashallah.
Sir,
So you have
Sir,
to,
two.
very good. So you have to multiply the thing as it is written in the example. Okay, so denominator of the fraction will be 100.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. So go through it just immediately fast. Example number 1. Okay, in this way you have to convert.
It is going to over after 1 minute.
Yes, beta. That's why I'm saying see it properly.
Sir, I am saying that we have to do 6.1 and 6.2 and submit to you.
Because
Sir, what is our homework?
beta, I'm telling you, I'm assigning it to you. You have to do till exercise 6.3.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. We will do it and submit it.
Exercise till 6.3.
Sir, how much syllabus is there in the assessment? One assessment.
Yes,
How
beta.
much chapter is coming? Sir, how much chapter is coming in first assessment?
I will notify you. Don't worry for that. Start preparing fraction. Okay. I will very soon. I will take a test.
Huh?
Yes,
Okay,
beta.
sir. I always do practice in night of math.
Very good. That's wonderful. Okay. So please, if you have any problem, you can WhatsApp me in fraction decimal. Okay, beta.
Okay, sir. We will send our query on your WhatsApp number.
Exactly.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Exactly.
sir. Jazakallah sir. Allah Hafiz.
And listen to me. If you converting decimal, the